So I'm at Supercar Sunday. I just got here and cars are showing up. And one of my favorite all-time cars. One of my favorites.
Good morning. Ooh, the person or the car?
Both.
Okay. Where do you want to park?
Perfect. Unless you want to park it more presentation with the doors open, or however you want. Doesn't matter to me.
This is present. I can open the other door and still be here.
Perfect. This is why we call it Supercar Sunday.
It is a supercar.
This car, I love this car.
Right.
This is one of my favorites.
Of all time.
Yeah, 100%.
Right?
100%. What a car. I haven't even started setting up yet. I was sitting in the car. I got here a few minutes ago and I saw this pulling in. I knew exactly who it was.
It's a really nice car, huh?
Good smile. Look at the smile.
How did they come up with that stuff?
Look at that smile.
You know? A girl yesterday saw this thing and I opened the door and said, "Oh, now I see where Tesla got the idea."
Oh, that's funny.
I almost want to say, no, Mercedes copied it from Tesla.
This is one of my all-time favorite cars.
Right?
100%. Let me get set up and we'll do a...
I'll help you.
Yeah. More to come, ladies and gentlemen.